Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Food Happy Lifestyle. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you like it, please subscribe now to my channel and share the video with your friends. Ever wondered how those little munchies between meals could impact your overall health? The truth is, they play a significant role. Healthy snacking can be a game changer for your wellness journey. Picture this. It's mid-afternoon, your lunch seems like a distant memory, and dinner is hours away. You need a little something to keep you going. A healthy snack can provide that much-needed energy boost, but that's not all. Snacking smartly can also prevent you from overeating at mealtimes. It keeps those hunger pangs at bay, helping you avoid the temptation of second helpings or unhealthy choices. Moreover, snacks can be a source of essential nutrients. They can help fill in the nutritional gaps left by your meals, ensuring you get a well-rounded intake of vitamins and minerals, so it's crucial to choose the right snacks. But what are some healthful options? Let's start with the simplest and most easily accessible health snack: fruits. Nature has provided us with a smorgasbord of delicious, juicy, and nutrient-packed snacks in the form of apples, bananas, berries, and more. Take the humble apple, for instance. It's not just a tasty snack, it's also a great source of fiber and vitamin C. Or consider the banana, a portable powerhouse of energy supplying nutrients like potassium and B6. And let's not forget about berries, those tiny bursts of flavor that are chock full of antioxidants. These fruits, and many others, offer a sweet treat that satisfies our sugar cravings in a healthy way. Unlike processed snacks that are loaded with refined sugars, fruits contain natural sugars that our bodies can process more efficiently. They also provide essential nutrients and hydration, making them an ideal choice for a snack. Next time you feel a craving coming on, reach for nature's candy. Another excellent snack option is nuts and seeds, compact powerhouses of nutrition. Let's delve into the health benefits of these tiny treasures. Take almonds, for instance. They are not only delicious but also packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Walnuts, on the other hand, are rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Moving on to the seeds, flax seeds are a great source of lignans, a type of antioxidant that's been linked to reducing the risk of certain diseases. They're also high in fiber and can help you feel full for longer. Chia seeds, small but mighty, are loaded with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They're a great addition to your diet, especially if you're looking for a plant-based source of these nutrients. These are just a few examples of the nutritional powerhouses that nuts and seeds are. So, a handful of nuts or seeds can keep you satiated and provide a nutrition boost. Yogurt, especially the Greek variety, is a snack that packs a probiotic punch. It's a delightful dairy product that's not only tasty, but also teeming with health benefits. The star feature of yogurt is its high protein content, which can range from as much as 9 to 20 grams per serving depending on the type. This protein provides a sense of fullness, helping you stave off hunger and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. But the wonder of yogurt doesn't stop there. It's also a rich source of probiotics, those friendly bacteria that play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut. These microscopic champions aid digestion, boost your immune system, and have been linked to a host of other health benefits. You can enjoy yogurt on its own, or pair it with fruits or granola for a balanced snack. But a word of caution. Remember, opt for unsweetened varieties to avoid excess sugar. Whole grain snacks are another great option to fill up on fiber and keep hunger at bay. Imagine sinking your teeth into a bowl of popcorn during your favorite movie, or enjoying a warm bowl of oatmeal on a chilly morning. These aren't just delicious snack options, but they're also packed with whole grains that offer numerous health benefits. Whole grain snacks like popcorn, oatmeal, and whole grain crackers are rich in fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest. But don't let that fool you. This indigestible quality is what makes fiber so beneficial. It adds bulk to your diet, helping you feel full longer and preventing overeating. Moreover, fiber maintains digestive health by softening stool and promoting regular bowel movements. It can even help prevent certain digestive conditions and contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. So next time you're rummaging around for a satisfying snack, why not reach for a whole grain option? Whole grains can be a satisfying and healthful snack choice. Protein-rich snacks can keep you feeling full and fuel your muscles. Let's dive into the world of these power-packed snacks. First up, we have hard-boiled eggs. A humble yet mighty snack, one hard-boiled egg packs around 6 grams of protein. This easily digestible protein is perfect for muscle repair and growth, making it an ideal post-workout snack. Next, we have cottage cheese. Don't be fooled by its soft, creamy texture. This snack is a protein powerhouse with around 14 grams of protein per half-cup serving. It's also rich in casein, a slow-releasing protein that keeps you feeling full for longer. Finally, let's talk about lean turkey slices. With nearly 8 grams of protein per ounce, these thin slices are not only delicious, but also help in muscle recovery and growth. Remember to opt for low-sodium versions to keep your snack healthy. Protein snacks can be a great way to fuel up post-workout or keep hunger at bay. So, we've covered a variety of healthy snack options. Let's summarize. First off, we dove into the world of fruits, nature's candy. Fruits are brimming with vitamins and antioxidants that can help boost your immune system and keep your skin glowing. Not to mention, they're also a great source of fiber that aids in digestion. Whether you're munching on an apple or enjoying a bowl of berries, fruits make a sweet, satisfying, and healthy snack. Next, we looked at nuts and seeds, these little compact powerhouses. They are packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, and a range of essential nutrients. From almonds and walnuts to chia seeds and flax seeds, these bite-sized snacks can provide a quick energy boost and keep you feeling full between meals. Then, we explored the world of yogurt, a snack that packs a probiotic punch. Yogurt is a great source of protein and calcium, and it's also rich in probiotics that help support a healthy gut. Whether you prefer Greek yogurt or a dairy-free alternative, adding a bit of fruit or a sprinkle of granola can turn it into a delicious and nutritious snack. We also talked about whole grain snacks, a fantastic source of fiber. Whole grains can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep your energy levels consistent throughout the day. With options like whole grain crackers, popcorn, or oatmeal, these snacks are a tasty way to get your daily dose of fiber. Lastly, we discussed the power of protein snacks. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in your body. Snacks like hard-boiled eggs, hummus, or a handful of roasted chickpeas can provide a high-protein pick-me-up that's both tasty and satisfying. In a nutshell, these snacks, fruits, nuts and seeds, yogurt, whole grain snacks, and protein snacks, each bring their own unique health benefits to the table. They play an important role in a balanced diet, providing the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. Remember, the key to healthy snacking is variety and moderation. Happy snacking! That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss out on more tips and tricks about health and food for a happy life, subscribe to our channel and we'll see each other soon again. If you like our video, we would be happy if you share it with your friends, support us with a thumbs up, leave a comment, or share your opinion with us. Stay healthy and see you soon.